Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade on Bitstamp, one of the most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges. First, open your browser and go to bitstamp.net. Sign in with your account or create a new one if you haven't registered yet. Make sure to complete any required verification steps for security and compliance. Once logged in, navigate to the Trading section. Here, you can see all available trading pairs, like Bitcoin to US dollar or Ethereum to Euro. Choose the pair you want to trade. Next, select whether you want to place a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, which executes only at your specified price. Enter the amount you wish to buy or sell and review the order details carefully. After confirming everything, click Submit to place your trade. Your order will then appear in the Open Order section until it's filled. You can track your completed trades and account balance in the Portfolio section. Always keep an eye on fees and market prices and trade responsibly. And that's it. Now you know the basic steps to trade on Bitstamp safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!